Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As we're ready to wind down another evening before we reach the halfway point of another official week of 2025, the month of January. January 14th, 2025. CN Hayes here. 2144. As I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again, along the Canadian National's Superior Submain and milepost 353.17 with one last train and one last video lined up for you on this very cold night. We just completed the departure of tonight's southbound Woodtick of the L56481 of the 14th. Now we're going to have the startup of tonight's S77381 of the 14th, as they were waiting for the 564 to clear and finish their work here at Ladysmith Yard. And I have a feeling that we're going to have the MEI rebuild of the 3131 go at it again, as it previously was on the 519. Maybe not. But I'm sure we're going to find out soon enough. Signal indications are set for the North Y now that the 564 has cleared. And understandably, prior to 773's stoppage, just in the area of milepost 128.3, it was by the ranger station that they had to hold there. The 564 to show up and begin its work before continuing on. And I am not sure who else is going to be along for the ride for this slow roll by on the North Y. I'm sure we'll find out soon enough within the next couple of minutes, as the 773 is probably starting up just nearby in milepost 128.6. Find out who's doing the honors coming up next. Stay tuned. Alright, 2152, 773 is here. Let's check them out. As we have Gator out. Nice to see the cold steam coming out of the 3169. How about that? I gotta say, that was a good one. As I say, this is S773 of the 14th. As the will continue on their way to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada, since building up their train at Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. There is 102 loads in tow. I have a feeling the locomotives are also running 2x1. So I got a strong feeling that the total axle count is going to be 426. Is doing yard limit speed here on the north line. We'll accelerate away after the rear DPU clears the north Y. I was not expecting the return of the 3169, but I don't mind at all. Last of the 773 with the rear DPU should be ready to come around. So I got a feeling the northbound is on standby at Sheldon. Follow behind this. And the flange is groaning on the north Y. I hear the rear DPU now, the last of it. GECX 4235, and it's the MEI rebuild of the 3131 that did the honors to make the return on today's 5/19/81 of the 14th. Now there it was, rear DPU 773. That way it ended. Let's see, 3131 was previously built as GECX Tier 4 demo humpback 2042. But it volunteered its time to be assigned on the 519 from earlier today. Getting assigned to the S773. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight, as this was my last train of the evening too. Thank you all so much for watching, my friends. You have a great night. Please stay warm. limit time outside. I will see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Happy rail fanning, and God bless, my friends. See you and Hayes out.